I'm Patrick Hayden, owner of KYGUNCO. This past week, our Louisville facility sustained some damage in a storm that resulted in a partial roof collapse, as you can see over my shoulder. This only affects the Louisville retail location. Our Bardstown retail locations and our online orders will continue to operate as normally. We anticipate the construction process taking several weeks to perhaps a couple months. During the cleanup and rebuilding process, our staff is busting their butts, along with Music Construction, who has been phenomenal to help us get it back to where we need to be. While this is a painful process for us, we are thankful that this did not happen during business hours. None of our employees were injured, none of our customers were injured. We anticipate the construction process probably taking the next 1 to 2 months, but we are coming back and we will reopen. If you're one of the customers that has been affected by this, know that all your layaways and all your other orders and all your other firearms have been moved to the Bardstown facility. It is only 45 minutes south of Louisville. During this time, our staff and myself, we would appreciate your continued patronage. You can do it online at KYGUNCO.com or at Bardstown, Kentucky at 401 Glenwood Drive.